Welcome to Wave Edu YouTube channel. I'm your host Rajesh Yogi. I am the CTO, Chief Technical Officer at Wave Edu AI team. From last 2 videos, we started discussing all about artificial intelligence. This is the 3rd video in that series. We are learning with every video script that what AI is and how AI works. So let's recap what we have learned in previous 2 videos. Video 1, we know that AI need data and AI also work on algorithms. So Wave Edu AI has tons of data and Wave Edu AI has a solid algorithm to bring the best available AI. Now in video 2, we discussed about generative AI. What's the difference between an old AI and a generative AI, and how Wave Edu application is using generative AI to learn from the patterns. Learn from the test patterns of a student to bring more valuable new content every time. In this video, we are going to discuss after generative AI, how the brain of artificial intelligence work, how machines learn on a daily basis, how machine learns with the patterns. So let's discuss machine learning. We know Gen AI or generative AI creates content using patterns, and those patterns found in mountains, tons of data, okay? So in those tons of data, Gen AI look for the pattern. Now the question is, how does it process that data to find the patterns? This process of finding a pattern is called machine learning or ML. ML means machine learning. So now the core question for this video series is, what are the 2 main ways we teach a computer or a machine to learn, and how does Wave Edu AI use them to get smarter every time? So machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence where we give the computer or the machine the required data and let it figure out the rules for itself. Rather than us programming every single rule, it's like teaching a child by example, not by giving them a instruction manual. Last time we discussed that machine learning is under supervised learning or unsupervised learning. So let's discuss what is supervised learning. Think of this as a teaching with labeled examples. Let me share an example here. If you want a machine to recognize an apple, you show 1000 pictures of apple and those pictures are labeled with word apple or not an apple. The human supervisor or the engineer guides the machine, and we think that whatever we are teaching the machine is learning. Yes, of course, machine finds a pattern. When machines see an apple with a label apple, machines recognize apple. Next time, if machines see a red apple, machines don't need your guidance. Machine know that this is a apple. Wave Edu AI is a supervised. We also use supervised learning to categorize content. For example, we want to teach a question in algebra. So we have to train the AI what sort of questions can be there in chapter 1 for algebra, and we provide tons of data under a supervision, and then AI can come up with a pattern. The second method for machine learning is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning means there is no label with the data. There are no labels with the data. Let me give you an example. Let's say we give a pile or a basket full of toys, but we don't tell machine what to do. The machine must figure it out, the connection, and group them based on the pattern. Like putting all square blocks on one group, the round blocks in the second group, and the triangle blocks are on the third group. So that is unsupervised learning. Here we are not teaching the machine what to do. Instead, the machine recognize or build a pattern by itself based on the instructions or algorithm. In Wave Edu, unsupervised learning is a vital component for personalization. For personalization, for every child, the AI is watching the pattern. AI watches how thousands of students interact with the app and groups of students who learn similarly. And then AI come up with the test or come up with the lesson, come up with the story which is required for that particular child or the group of children. Even without explicitly setting some rules for the AI. So, machine learning is a loop. Every time the AI makes a prediction, say recommending a lesson, it waits and see if you engage with it. If you skip it, the AI learns. That prediction was very less successful. And then we adjust the rule next time, or the machine itself adjusts the rule next time. In nutshell, Wave Edu AI is getting smarter every time a student uses it. We recommend that the student should keep using the app again and again and again if they really want the app to help and support with the best available technology. Because the app is learning your pattern. And with your pattern, app is going to have more and more unsupervised machine learning or the best learning support our application provide to your child or the student. So in today's video, what we have discussed, that machine learning is the engine that derives continuous improvement of Wave Edu AI. Now, all that learning and data needs an incredible, powerful brain to run on. In video 4, we tackled another big concept, that is, what is a large language model? We call large language model, LLM, is the brain of Wave Edu AI. You will learn exactly what powers Google Gemini and the features in our app when we discuss large language model LLM. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the like button so we can keep updating you with the latest video. Also, please download the WebEdu API. It's free, available on App Store and Play Store. Download it, experience it, and get full support from our team to learn and expertise your subject. See you next time.